Eviction cases are typically pretty cut and dried, but in the case of a Bismarck restaurant, it's a bit more complicated. Ariana Gonzalez reports from the courtroom where the Huckleberry House and the property owner were given more time to resolve a rental dispute.
The Huckleberry House sits on the banks of the Missouri River. Owner Christopher Tello established it in 2022. The restaurant serves Nordic-style food and drinks. It might have closed on Friday if a judicial referee in Burleigh County ruled in favor of its landlord, Fort Abraham Lincoln Foundation.
Good morning. We're going to go on record in Burleigh County case number 08-2025.
The plaintiff and defendant appeared on Zoom during the hearing. The foundation claims the business owes more than $85,000 in back rent and late fees. It says Tello has not paid rent for 16 out of the last 24 months.
This is a simple eviction for the recovery of possession and unpaid rent, nothing more.
Tello thinks otherwise. He and his attorney argue that he fell behind on rent because the state used his parking lot during an 8-month construction project back in 2024. Court documents read that the landlord knew about the project about 2 years in advance and never told Tello about it.
The contract that contemplates exactly this situation illustrates what their obligation was as landlord.
And the judicial referee agreed, filing an order for dismissal without prejudice because the case is too complicated for unusual eviction court proceeding. Dismissal without prejudice means the case can be refiled at a later date and heard in civil court.
The evidence that would probably be needed to hear something and resolve something fairly, which is important in a case like this, cannot be accomplished in half an hour. It probably couldn't even be accomplished in a full day.
There is no telling how long this dispute will continue. In Bismarck, I'm Ariana Gonzalez, reporting for your news leader.
We've reached out to each attorney for comments.